What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Marco Anime, and I'm coming at you with another video. I was at Anime Weekend Atlanta all weekend, and I was getting prepared for it throughout the week, so that's why I didn't post in the week. Make sure you go check out my last video though. It's a video if you think that Atlas should remaster the old personas and whatnot. This video is probably gonna be quick and short, and this video is not sponsored. I just want to get out of the way. This is not sponsored. I just want to get their name out there because I like the service that I got. But in today's video, we're gonna be talking about a proxy service named Otsukai, and I like what I did so far. I like what happened with it so far. Let's get into the video. Now you're gonna ask, or you're probably wondering, what is this website? It is a proxy server. It's a new kind of proxy server based on what you want from Japan and get the goods of your dreams. So let's say it is a Japan exclusive. I'm gonna show you how to go through here and do everything that you need to do step by step. And I just got a recent purchase from it, so I'm gonna tell you how that works. And yeah, first step, what are you gonna do? What you are gonna do is you're gonna go to the website otsukai.manga.tokyo. Link to the website will be in the description. And first, you want to make an account. That is the only way you are requesting items, if you make an account, and make sure you add the right information and everything on there that you need to do. And you will need a PayPal because that is the only paying method that they have to offer. The second after that, after you finish that, you're going to go to your request, and it should be a button where it says request item. Now when you request item, like I said, if it's a Japan figure or a Japan exclusive plush or anything that you want, you can request. That is how you get what you get. So after you request the item, make sure you put full details, the title of it, the description, what type of condition you want and what category it's in, and make sure you put a tag because the tag actually helps a lot. And if you want to search items, because they have open offers on here too that people are just trying to sell and get away with, you can also do that too. That also works. I highly recommend that you upload a picture so it makes it easier for people to offer you. After you request it, make sure you have all your images, you have everything you want, make sure you'll see everything that you need, and bam, and make sure that's everything is right. After you make your offer, your request, such and such, it should be at least you'll get a ton of offers coming in. So I'll say about, sometimes you can get up to 5 offers depending on the item. I recently ordered, just like recently, not the order that came in last week, but recently I ordered Shonen Jump issue 46 with the Act Age cover, and my man who got me the last stuff, he offered me a deal that I liked, and I chose that deal. Going down in the list, you will actually have a lot of stuff to actually choose from if they have a lot of offers, and you just choose the offers that fit best to you. Now, can some of this stuff be expensive? Maybe. It depends on what you buy. Everything depends on what you buy, because you pay for shipping also too. So I don't know if you can choose your shipping, but I think they choose it, and it's whatever to do. Now, the stuff that I got, I had ordered volumes 1 through 3 of Domestic Girlfriend, because Kodansha does not want to release English volumes in physical form. They want to keep it with the digital that nobody wants. And as you can see in the pictures, they wrapped it really nice. Everything was real good. Now I opened the box, everything was wrapped real nice, and everything was clean and neat. Nothing was damaged, wasn't nothing wrong with it. And outside of the box, everything is wrapped. As y'all know, they sell their manga volumes wrapped in plastic to keep it fresh and preserved. And yeah, so I was happy. I was very happy with what service I got, and I was 100% happy with how everything did. Would I recommend this to you guys? 100%. And if you're familiar with Zen Market, this is a Zen Market basically of what you want, I guess. But basically you're just requesting what you want. Like I said, Zen Market and Otsukai are my 2 top things where I buy from Japan, and also Amazon. But Zen Market through Amazon is Amazon through Zen Market is easier. But make sure you like, subscribe, share the video with your friends. If you have any questions regarding this, you always can look on their website, or you can ask me and I can try to help you as the best I can. And I will do a haul video for the stuff I bought at AWA. I just have to find a place to record it to where my camera won't look stupid and I'll have enough natural light and other stuff like that. But man, make sure you like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and peace.